Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you recognize this beautiful girl next to me. It is the guest of all guests, the queens of all queens, Miss Aleeya Isabella. Yeah, woo, Aleeya, woo. Anyways, for people who don't know her, she is my 7-year-old daughter. Who are you obsessed with? Stephanie. So, yes, we love Stephanie, so we are trying to be like her. Yes, so I have the beef pho right here, and she has a chicken pho. So how this works is we're going to empty this all into the bowl. Go ahead. We've never tried this before, but we're on this new kick where we try new stuff, right?
And this baby
so this
spinach.
is the, it's the baby spinach. So this is the sriracha chili sauce. Yum. And this is the hoisin sauce. Yum. So we're gonna get the lime. Get the lime out, baby.
Lime?
Yeah, there's a lime in there, right there.
Oh.
Pull that out.
Smells like lime.
And this is the stuff we can add afterwards.
There is jalapeno.
We won't put jalapeno in yours. So we're gonna open the containers.
Oh, okay. Ah!
Yeah, top. Let me do it for you.
I'm a cool kid, Mama.
You're a cool kid. Cool kids can still get burnt, my friend.
Yeah.
Yours is more hot than mine. So we're gonna pour the pho juice. It comes with a pho spoon.
Smells like beautiful tea. Or maybe it's mine. Oh, if you're wondering, if I'm wearing laces, I will take them off when I eat. I want to mix.
Let's let that sit for a second.
Now.
And this is what it looks like before. And then once you pour the hot noodle juice.
Hey, there's beef in there. She got beef and I got chicken.
You guys, and when I say we do not know how to use chopsticks, we do not know how to use chopsticks.
Yeah, so you might.
So we're gonna try our best.
Yep. Oh,
okay, so next step, I'm gonna put the. You probably don't want your speaker, right?
Now I want my speaker.
Okay, where'd your sriracha chili sauce go?
My two things are right here. Sriracha.
So, can you open them up, or do you need help?
Oh, you need the purple one first?
Oh, yeah.
Purple one first?
Yum. This looks so good. Where'd my other chopstick go? Oh, you jacked it, fool. You jacked it.
Oh.
Here's it right there. And I'm just going to...
No, you gave it to me.
Looks so good, Aleeya. You got it?
This looks like ketchup, but more darker.
So that little sriracha packet wasn't enough for me, so I went and got the sriracha from my fridge, and I'm gonna put this all over.
Want both.
I'm gonna give you a little bit.
Of that.
I'm gonna just give you a little bit. Okay?
And open this and we'll put all of it in.
No. And then I'm gonna pour lime in mine. Are you gonna put lime in yours?
Does it taste
Just
good?
a little bit. So I added the jalapeno and the leaves in mine. You don't have to, baby, if you don't want to.
Yeah, I don't really like flowers.
Okay, just mix it around. Make sure the noodles are...
How do you do that? I feel like you went on YouTube and on how to use chopsticks.
No, I swear I didn't.
These noodles.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try them.
Try the noodles. How do you taste like? I gotta tell some things, you guys. I'm very picky.
Oh, she is very picky.
Yeah. I kind of like green beans. I love baby cucumber.
I brought her the fork because I don't feel like the chopsticks are gonna last very long.
Yeah.
I kind of placed them over the chopsticks.
Wait, really? Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I didn't use chopsticks.
So how do you feel about school being canceled for so long?
Kind of sad because I miss my friends. I miss Riker and miss Oregon Free. If my friends like Zeta or Riker or Miss Oregon Free is watching this, then hi. I tell my friends that you have a channel so you can watch them.
Eat poo poo.
Okay. Can I taste yours?
Yeah.
Switch.
Switch.
Can you taste mine?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sorry.
And if you're a smart mom, you know.
What?
If she doesn't like this, I have a backup plan. Her for the food that she'll actually eat, but
What?
for the YouTube, don't worry about it.
Tell me.
Just try it.
Okay.
You like yours?
Yeah. He used to hate a lot of stuff, and then now she just goes again for it. I know. I see.
You gotta try new things.
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know what I'm doing.
Wait, did you tell her that? Did you tell them that it was 27 now? I mean 20, 24, 24.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot her.
This is so good. You don't like it?
No, I do. Sorry, I take no pika.
You want some more sriracha?
Yeah.
We like a lot of pica in this house.
Yeah.
Dude, this is good. You're tripping.
I mostly like the soup.
The soup? Well, drink the soup.
Ooh, try the soup. When I said I mostly like the soup. That's nice.
Let me see. Ooh, mine's pica.
Mine too.
It's good though.
When my mom makes spaghetti or meat or something, she puts pica in it. But I drink no water because she makes it the right amount of pica.
Guilty.
Yeah. If we do, Mommy can do a mukbang or when are you cooking?
Yeah. Oh,
And then I can tell you because she puts pica. I can tell you. It's my baby. No.
Not too much. I think we found our new dish, huh?
Yeah. That was too.
I'm so bad at this.
You said you were good at it. Oh no, you weren't. Mommy, can I take this spoon out?
Mm-hmm. Here's the fork. You mix that around. That's too much.
No, it isn't.
So you ready to go back to school? You want to go back to school already?
No. Is this aloe vera? Oh no, I thought that was. I don't. If people don't know aloe vera, maybe a lot of people already know aloe vera, but
I don't think you can eat aloe vera, boo.
oh, well, I saw skin aloe vera, so I thought it was aloe vera. No.
I forgot what this place is called.
No.
I forgot what it's called. I'll find it and I'll put it down below.
Yeah, great.
But
Subscribe. I'm eating.
you look so cute when you eat your noodles.
I'm trying to do those people who do like.
I know it's hard. I don't know how they do that.
Wait. I think I got it. I forgot. I put too much.
She put too much sriracha. Am I gonna have to go with the backup?
Back up.
Oh, gee, I knew it. I figure out what to do tomorrow, huh?
Oh yeah. What tomorrow? Another video?
Yeah. What's some good video idea, guys? We're bored.
Tell me in the comments.
Off that movie Parasite, I want to try the noodles that they eat
Oh yeah.
with the steak beef.
Yeah. Oh, and ratatouille.
I don't really want to try ratatouille. Anyways, I don't know if y'all heard, but on the news today, they said that our town, if you know where I live, is going to go on a shutdown Dallas is going to be on a shutdown already. Other counties are going to be on a shutdown already. I know the state of California and the state of New York have already declared a shutdown. It's just crazy, y'all. Like, please just listen and stay indoors and just, let's just get over this, okay? I've heard of people dying who are not elderly and do not have underlying health problems, which is what we believed at first.
Oh, yeah, I gotta show you.
Okay, show them.
I'm gonna get right here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a line and so more juice. I'm gonna get a lot more juice. Oh, look at this. Meow.
Tell them about your piano skills.
So, My Dog Spike and Star Spike.
Those are the names of the song that she's learning. So she's able to play her piano without looking. She's able to play how many songs without looking at the keys? 2, right?
2, yeah.
We practice a lot. And this week your piano teacher emailed me and she said y'all are going to be practicing over the computer. Like she's going to FaceTime you. You already got it on your shirt. OMG. This is why we can't wear white. It's on my shirt too. Oh well.
Yeah. Oh, please. When I was in Greenwich, I saw people do that, but they didn't cut it out.
So we've been spending a lot of time together, right?
Uh-huh. Just me.
I'm able to work from home. Thank goodness. So before we end this, we just want to tell everybody to stay safe, right?
Uh-huh.
Don't catch the coronavirus.
I gotta tell you a little something. You gotta put a lot of germs and wash your hands a lot. That's what we do almost every day. Well, every day.
Yeah.
Not almost every day.
I was like, more like every 10 minutes. Before we eat, after we eat, anytime.
Yeah, just in case.
Every couple minutes, I swear, I feel like I'm making her wash her hands. Bet you won't like it. Ooh, it's not spicy. Let's put some lips on it.
Wait, you did?
Good.
You did?
Got lipstick on it. Now I should though. I don't have any.
Oh, you better look who's on this one.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Look, this just tastes like lime. That's good. I love spicy food. Sour food.
Me. We do.
What's your favorite food?
I'm not gonna lie here, but I like 2 favorite foods. Well, I'm gonna tell you about Chick-fil-A because a long time ago, I got their lemonade and there was some stuff in it.
Pulp.
What is that? I feel like they add the whole thing.
The whole
But
lemon
not
in there.
this. Yeah, but not this.
So other than Chick-fil-A, what else do you
So
like?
wings and more.
Wings and
My
more?
first. Second,
Pizza rolls.
pizza rolls. Third, what is it? Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, yeah.
Chick-fil-A has gone from first to third.
Did I say wings and more?
Okay, we got some chores to do, so let's say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
I'll eat this number too. Magically disappear.